welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. I'm vlogging during the week today because I actually am off of work, which feels so good. I love having a day off in the week, and the weather is literally so beautiful out today. Like perfect weather, not too hot, not too warm. It's finally starting to warm up, which I love. I have on this cute dress. It's like a t-shirt dress, which I need to find more of these. I didn't realize I only have one left. It's like actually nice. I need to go buy some more of those. I already did quite a bit of shopping for summer, so I'm gonna wait, but I need to go find some more t-shirt dresses because I wear these things all the time. Like in the summer, this is my go-to thing because I hate wearing pants in the summer. I love just being able to like throw something on that's like super comfy and baggy. I need to find more of these, and this just brought it to my attention. But I have on a little cardigan. This is my little outfit. I literally had this on. I don't know if you can see that there's a little stain right there. I had this dress on for like not even 10 minutes and I already got it stained. I don't know why I'm like that. I don't know why I always get my clothes stained so fast. It just always happens to me for some reason. But I'm starting this morning off with some coffee. This isn't the coffee, this is the creamer to go in the coffee, but it's 12 o'clock and I'm making myself a second cup of coffee because this is just one of those days. And I'm gonna go sit outside for a little bit actually because the weather's like so nice and we have like a little table out on our back deck. I'm gonna go sit out there and do some editing, get some vitamin D. I think that's what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some vitamin D, sit outside in the sun and just like enjoy the nice weather and the birds chirping. I feel like it'll just make me feel a whole heck of a lot better. My last vlog, the last video I put up, it should have been like the weekend of my life vlog, that I was gonna clean my room and spring clean my car and all of which I did not get done. Oops. So today that's what I'm gonna do, is spring clean my room. I'm gonna save my car. Eddie's gonna help me do that next weekend, which will just be nice to have his help with washing my car and getting the inside all nice and cleaned out. So I am tackling my room today, which really shouldn't be that big of a deal at all. It shouldn't take me that long to do. I just wanna like clean all this stuff a little bit more. We always do this Murphy soil stuff on the wood, I guess my mom told me to do. So I'm gonna do a little bit of that and wipe down all my woodwork. We'll scrub my floors and stuff later, just like getting it really, really nice and clean. I really super do not like cleaning at all, so I'm hoping this doesn't take too long. I really don't think it should take this long, and I'm waiting for my video to upload, which I think it just uploaded. So I just have to finish getting that up for you guys and then do all the cleaning and not fun stuff. There's literally nothing I hate more than putting a duvet back together once you have to take it apart and wash it, and then somehow figure out how to put it back together. I don't know why these things are so dang hard to put together. I love having them because they're so nice. You can like take the actual like comforter part out and wash the top part, and it's just nice to have like them separate. And then you can change up your look because you already have this, so that if you just want to get a new duvet, it's way cheaper, so you can change up your look really easily. But oh my goodness, these things are a pain to put back together. I have to wash mine all the time because Jasper gets dirt and stuff all over it, and every time I ask myself why I have a duvet when I hate putting it together so bad. Oh my goodness, where is the freaking zipper? My bed is finally made. It looks so nice. I always love the feeling of having a nice and clean made bed. It just looks so nice and clean, makes me feel all motivated, and I love having everything washed. I honestly need to start doing this more often. I need to make it one of my goals to make my bed every morning because I seriously feel so much better when I make my bed every day, but I just am really bad about doing it. So I need to make that like one of my monthly goals, maybe for May. We'll do that next month. But I'm gonna sit down because I have something I want to talk to you guys about. So, on to the exciting news that I'm sure you guys have been waiting to hear about since you saw the title of this video. I mean merch! That's so weird to say. I never thought I would have the opportunity to do something like this. I feel like the word merch is so weird. I made shirts, I made things so that we can all match and have like something that represents us and that we can wear, and like all like we can be a little community with our little matching shirts. I just think it's gonna be so cool. I'm so excited. I am so thankful for every one of you guys. You guys were the ones that even made me think about doing this, and you guys really, really wanted it. So I'm so happy to share it with you guys. I love how it turned out. I'm so excited. I already ordered mine. I'm waiting for it to come in the mail. I honestly can't wait. Like, I'm ready for it to come in like now. I will go ahead and pop some pictures on the screen of what the items that I designed look like so that you guys can kind of get a taste for what it is. I tried to do it very simple, just very minimalistic. Try to make it as affordable as I possibly can. I hope you guys are excited. If you guys want to buy my merch, I don't think that I'm cool enough to even say that word, but I don't know what else to call it. If you guys want to buy the stuff that I made, go ahead and click the link in the description. I'll put it like at the very top of the box so that you guys can see it. I believe it's teespring.com/stores/AlexaPaige. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. I hope you love it as much as I love it. I'm so excited to wear it and just match with all you guys and have like our own little thing. I actually have four different designs, I think. I have one that's kind of like Alexa Paige related. It's just the AP. One that says don't quit your daydream, because you guys know that's like the quote that I live by. One is one that my friend on YouTube, I'll link her channel down below, Julia Christine, actually gave me the idea. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I didn't think of that. It's best day ever. I love that. I say that all the time. So I have that one, and then I have a little mug so we can drink our morning coffee together, and it says cheers. So I'm just really happy. Thank you all so much from the very, very, very bottom of my heart for watching me and supporting me and allowing me to do something as like cool and amazing as this is. I truly love you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you buy anything, make sure to send me pictures, DM me on Instagram, whatever you have to do. I want to see them. I was going to wait until I hit 20K on YouTube to release this. I had it all designed. I'm sure you guys probably know from watching my videos, I'm just an impulsive person. Like, once I get an idea in my mind, I like really hop on it. I can't wait around. Like, I have to act immediately as soon as I get something in my head. I just tend to be super impulsive when it comes to things that I want to do. So I talked about doing it this past weekend, came up with designs, and I was like, okay, I'm doing it. I was gonna wait until I hit 20K to like release the designs. Like, I had it all set up, and then I was gonna wait to actually release what I made, but I just can't wait. I am way too excited. I'm so happy. I already ordered mine. I told you guys, I already got mine. So I'm waiting to get mine in the mail. So obviously didn't wait for that little milestone to release this, but when I do hit 20K, I will do a giveaway of the merch. That's my little promise to you guys, is when I hit 20K, I will be doing a little giveaway of some of the things. So make sure that you guys are subscribed so that you can be in that giveaway. Tomorrow, so I just want to show you guys the little lunch that I just packed. If I have to work all day, then I obviously like pack my little lunch. So I always bring like a fruit of some sort. So I have a little apple. This is a Pink Lady apple, I think. These are my favorite apples ever. Like, Pink Ladies, they're my fave. And then I have a little thing of cottage cheese with some pepper on it. I don't know why I really like cottage cheese. So I have that for my lunch for a little bit of protein. And then I have this salad. It's some spring mix. I have a whole red pepper in here. Then I have this like corn mix that I got from Aldi's in here with a little bit of chicken that's super, super good. Just added a whole bunch of chicken, probably like a whole 4 ounces of chicken on my salad. And then I'll do this with some dressing tomorrow. So I'll have my little salad. And this is my little lunch. Sometimes I eat this like as a snack beforehand, and then I'll eat this for my lunch. That's what I tend to do. I've been really eating good and watching what I eat and trying to eat like more protein and just more like whole foods, just healthier food, that sort of thing. And I've been putting all my calories in MyFitnessPal. Just, I think it makes you more aware of what you're eating and how much you're eating, your portions, all that good stuff. That's what I've been doing lately. It's definitely not something that I'm gonna stick with for forever, but I'm using it right now to just kind of like teach me how to be healthier and what to eat how much to eat, that sort of thing. I do enjoy actually tracking my food, as weird as that sounds. Like, I really do like it, but I need to put that in the fridge because I don't need it until tomorrow. I always try to pack my lunch the night before because I don't have time for it in the morning. I'm not one of those people that like always has an extra minute to spare in the morning. I'm one of those people that like is running out the door at the very last minute. I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video off here. I'm pretty much just going to be getting ready for tomorrow's day of work, getting stuff ready, relaxing a little bit. Maybe I'll try and edit this video. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe by clicking down below. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll link that right here. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.